is pretty hot right here. I'm gonna try something new. I haven't done this before. There is always a first time for everyone. Today is my first time of changing my RAM for my laptop. I'm gonna purchase the RAM first. Alright, let's go. Alright, so here we are. Music, movies, mobile and activation, Wi-Fi networking, cameras. Where is the computer side? These are computers. So, it's probably somewhere in here. Ah, there you go, flash drives. Password. No, this is not it. Computer accessories. Finally, computer accessories. This one might work. Maybe this one might work, but that's not the one that I want. Really not sure if they actually have it. I saw in the internet that they have it here, so let me ask the guy first. Hi, I have a question actually. For a laptop?
Online only.
Online only?
Yeah, I've looked for them personally myself.
Okay.
You have to order them mostly.
Yeah. Corsair is better than PNY,
Yes.
right? Okay, cool. Thank you. Alright, this is the second store that I'm about to go, and hopefully they don't make me to find the third one. This is a smaller store, but I hope they have it. Hi, I'm looking for RAM.
1333, I rarely sell them. People rarely buy them. That's why I only carry just a few.
Okay.
Memory speed doesn't dictate the price.
Got you.
But if you find out that your computer has 1333, then don't put it in. Come back and out.
Alright, that's all it. I got it, but I'm not sure if it's actually compatible with my laptop, so let's try it. Finally, back home. It's 7:40 today. Let's continue. I believe it's with my laptop though. The reason I make this video is because some people say it's easy, some people say it's not, but it's electronic. If it goes well, then hooray. If it goes wrong, then I have the documentation at least. First you need, of course, the RAM. I have my laptop here. You need a precision screwdriver as well. We'll see.
Sorry for what you did. I don't think that you are sorry for what you did. I know you need it, and you just don't know how to quit. I don't think that you are sorry for what you did. You are sorry for what you did. I know you need it, and you just don't know how to quit. It's too late, but tomorrow has to wait. It's the time of your life, so tomorrow has to wait. Tonight's the night, and tomorrow is a million miles away. It's too late, but tomorrow has to wait. It's the time of your life, so tomorrow has to wait. If you control yourself and give up before you break, well, it's too late.
I guess that works. Alright, so that works. In a computer there is a processor and a random access memory, or RAM. What RAM does is actually enables you to open more applications at the same time. If you want to have a faster computer, then you probably need a new one because we couldn't change the processor itself. But the least that you can do is upgrading the RAM. And when you purchase the RAM, make sure that the speed is correct. For example, 12,800 and 10,600 or something like that. And also the series itself, like DDR3 or DDR4. Maybe you can share more knowledge down below just to share with everyone else how to upgrade your laptop or your computer. That's all I got today. I'll see you next time.
I don't think that you are sorry for what you did.